Multi-functional and versatile, this Mandoline slicer, cutter, chopper and grater is truly a time-saving, kitchen tool that certainly lives up to its name. Wouldn't it be wonderful to have a reliable kitchen tool on hand that could be used for almost any task you can think of? Need to drain something? Need to cut something? Peeling? Separating egg whites? Grate or slice anything? The Mandoline slicer, cutter, chopper and grater can do all that and more. Equipped with 4 interchangeable blades, the Mandoline slicer lets you grate, slice and peel anything. It's easily disassembled and a snap to clean. Simply wash the disassembled parts with soap and warm water. The 4 detachable covers let you strain, drain and separate egg whites. Whether you're a professional cook or a beginner in the kitchen, the Mandoline slicer can help make any tedious kitchen task fast and easy. Made with durable FDA-approved materials, eco-friendly grates, slices and peels vegetables easily cleaned and disassembled, eliminates the need for cutting board. Use as a storage container as well, save time on food preparation. Versatile design helps free up valuable space in your kitchen. Choose from blue, beige and pink. How to use Mandoline slicer, cutter, chopper and grater.